Hello and good day. How are you doing, traders? Hope you are enjoying the weekend. The last video I have done on AUD USD pair, it was on 15th, so it is 3 days back. But for the people who are watching this video for the first time, I would like to just get back a little so you understand. Those who are new can understand it a little bit better. So I am currently in monthly time frame, and in monthly time frame we can see that it is ranging for a long time. So it is ranging from 2015, January 2015 to till date. This is the range we have, and in this range we have a double top here, you can see, and we have a double bottom here, but it is far back here. From here we have a double bottom. Now this is the half of this range, just to update you with this, what is drawn in the on the chart. So this is half, that's all. And concentrating on the whole thing, this guy, this top, is responsible to create this bottom, these bottoms. Now we have a previous double bottom which is here, but we can see that a current bottom is forming here, and this is the candlestick for November, and we are on 18th November, still 12 days to go. So until this candlestick is finished on 30th November, we cannot declare it as a double bottom yet. But for the sake of viewing the chart with the probable information, I have marked this the bottoms with the black lines, and also marked, encircled them for future reference. And second thing is this, if you guys can see that the chart is telling us that it is actually the AUD USD pair is getting bullish day by day, or I beg your pardon, month by month. So here it has created a high, it came back, created a lower higher low in compared to that, and again it came back and it has created another higher low. So this is the thing to keep in mind. That's it for the monthly time frame. Now let's go to weekly time frame. By the way, and we have pretty good bullish candlestick here, which has almost covered, almost not yet, almost covered the last 2 months. I mean October, September and October candlestick has been covered with the 18 days November candles. This is the candle. So you can see, once this body go beyond this mark, then we can say yes, it's a very powerful bullish candlestick on monthly by the 30th November. Let's get back to weekly now. Now in weekly we can see, previously we declared this area as a day double bottom, double top, but currently as the week has finished, we can say that it is a weekly double bottom. So let us mark on this, and we can do things here. And previously this was the double top of our weekly, but currently this is the current weekly double top will be shifted here. So let's shift it. Let's remove this daily double top and also leave it. I would like to leave this for the time being. Let's change it later. Let's do it here. come back here, and we have a double top in week here. If we enlarge it more, expand it more, now we can do it more clearly. So to create a weekly double top, we need a, I beg your pardon, my mistake, I don't think it has formed, because we need a green and red which can match this area, and we don't have anything here. We have red but there is no green. We have green and red, but this is too low. This is green and red. This can do. No, this cannot do. So let's get back where we were before. So this is not the place. We have to take it back as it is before. So this is our range in week, and if we consider the weekly range, we can say that let's draw the weekly range from here to here. So this is the half of our weekly range, this line. Let's change the color of this to this. Okay. So this is the latest candlestick of the week, which is very much bullish. And last week, I mean week before previous, then last week is this one. So it was very much bearish, but it failed to break. Okay, if you can see, this guy failed to break this line here, and it started with a downside gap, bearish gap happened here. The market supposed to start here, but the last week the market started from here, and it started going bullish. And on the flip side, if you can see in weekly, this guy in the last week candle is very much bearish, but it also failed to break this line, this if it had broken, this candle had broken this top with a body, then we could have said that there is a change of character towards more bias to bullishness. So these are the two lines we can draw at the moment for the week, where it signifies the weekly steel for the last 3 weeks. Or if we extend this line a little, you can see it is ranging for a long time in weekly. If we see, so this is the range, actually from here to here is the range, but for the last 3 weeks we can say this is the range actually it is going now. So let's get back to the time frame, and this is what we have told in our 15th November video very clearly. In daily time frame, you can see that we have a very big bullish candlestick, then we have a indecision candle, and this was the Monday, Tuesday, and it is Wednesday. Then we have Thursday and this Friday candlestick. Let me remove, not remove, just put this guys a little bit aside. This is drawn by me, so this guy is not supposed to. We will fix them later. Just put it this way. So this is the thing. And in day time frame, we have a double top, very clear, green, red, and we have green and red. So we draw the double top here again, which I have omitted by mistake or deleted by mistake. So if we draw the double top here, let me increase the size so we can understand what we are doing. So this is the double top. We have a green, red, and green, no problem. So we do it, change the legend to blue, and this is the double top we have. Now when this was our range I defined in 15th December, that without breaking these two, this upper side or lower side, we cannot see any significant changes. So what happened here, the price was here, it opened, it went down on Thursday, then it opened and it became bullish again. So this was the red candle representing this one, this guy, and this is the candle which I have drawn on 15th December. That now if you guys see, I have told clearly on earlier video that if this guy doesn't break this line, this let me draw this so things could have been more clear to visualize. This is the actually the double top range we have, and this is the candlestick range. Don't mess up these two. This is the range for double top, this in between the two lines, and this is the single candlestick range, which is still a indecision candle. So this red, it came down again, it got bullish, and I told you guys that if this green doesn't break above this blue line, then we can go for long short. So we can come to this place, but it is very clear that the green here has entered into the double top zone, so we cannot take any trade here, any short trade. On the contrary, I told you that if the price moves like this green and again we got a red, so I need to shift them a little bit, so what is going to happen we can visualize later next week. So if this gets like a green like this, and if it is retested like this with a red and it doesn't break this blue line, this blue line on the downside, then we can go for long. And we have measured this half, and how did you measure that? It's plain and simple that this is the cup which has been formed, and this was the handle. I was confused here why it went so deep on retracement. Anyhow, now if we consider this cup, can we guys increase this a little on the left so we don't get confused? Okay, so if we measure this cup from here to here, this is the depth of the cup we have at the moment, and if we put this on the top on here, this is the top. So yes, so this is the half we are targeting initially, and in my opinion, to be very honest with you, still the analysis I made in 15th December, it is still in the same zone, but right now after the end of last week, I think it is more bullish bias than bearish. So I would like to change the legend of this bearishness. The chances of going down is less now, and the chance of going high is better in compared to that of going down. The probability is higher on going long or buy. So before you go long or buy, whatever you do, please check this retest that you have a green candle breaking this blue line. And let me where these are coming from. Okay, cancel. So this is the range we have for the single indecision candle. So let me remove these things so it doesn't bother you anymore further. And on the downside we don't need this because we have already passed that mark on the lower side. Now on the upper side, see, if we have this green candle and we retest with the red candle, and then this red candle doesn't break this blue line, then we have a long trade we can take. Higher probability is there to do that. And if we go to 4 hours now, this is the exact painting of what happened of the daily time frame we just explained. The price went up and down and went up and down, and it got back where it's supposed to be. It started from almost there and it is still there, so nothing that much happened. However, there is an interesting thing I would like to show you guys. This has already taken out 50%, almost 50% of this candle fair value gap, and at the same time this zone has been tested. Let me show you that we have a very good lead here, which is this guy. This area has been tested, so the probability on the downside is less right now. That's all I have to say, and please don't act based on my analysis. Even I would like to give you some good opinion, not good, I would like to express my opinion. The best option is to say, if we have on this side what we'll have, I would like to give you that. So some of the traders are complaining I am not giving any specific decision. First is go long. Oh my God. Go long, and after retest, I hope you understood what I have explained. The green and the red, the green must appear, then the red should not break that below the blue line. This line should not be broken by the red one, and that's it for me. And of course you should have a risk management. So my opinion, what will be the stop loss will be, if we see it, stop loss where we can put. Let's analyze that for the time being. If we let's go to 4 hours. So if it comes back, you take the test somewhere, and if it retraces, my best opinion is that yes, 0.6504. Okay, let's do it in a more formal way. My thinking, if it retests, it will come somewhere here, 65128. Go long after retesting, and limit order after retest, not before retest. After retest is 0.6520, something like this. Yes, and your stop loss will be 0.6500. That is the thing. Will be 0. So that is the best I can say. Go long after retesting. Limit order after retesting will be 0.6520, and stop loss will be 6500. I am putting the order somewhere here, because a lot of people will give their stop loss just below this line. So no, I would like to make it less. I would like to prefer to put it like this, and this one should be 6.80. This is a conservative lead, and only for traders who are more conservative, I would like to tell you guys to take this lead. The adventurous traders, I don't think this is a good lead for you. So we are looking for something like this, the price to come back here, come back here after retest. I repeat it now, it's too low. Sorry traders, I think it is too low. It should be 1.5, and I would like to go here for 8. Okay, that is the best thing to do. 0.6515, and here we will go for 6549695, or 90 will be the good thing to do. So that's it for AUD USD, and if there is any update, I will put a new video, and this is the strength we have for going long, because it has came down, retested this area, and it went bullish. However, if this candle could have been a little bit higher with the body above this line, the probability was much more higher. Thank you very much. Have a weekend, nice weekend. And by the way, if you have your own analysis, please share. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will try my level best to address them. Take care. Bye bye.